Guess what, guys? You can get into this community for under $400,000. 2025 prices, that is. Many models to choose from. Some have garages, some do not. With HOA fees under $250 a month, it's pretty good living, guys. There's a clubhouse with a fitness center, game room, and library. Strathmore Gate is located on Halleck Avenue, right off of 347 Wisconsin Highway. You can actually walk to the stores here. There's so much shopping right outside this community. It's beautiful. It's in walking distance. I'm looking at it right now. It's a great place to be. So why don't we go check it out? See what's in store for you if you're looking for a 55 and older community located in Stony Brook, Long Island.